How to upgrade macOS Sonoma to macOS Sequoia. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and tap on the Apple icon on the top left of your screen and further tap on the About This Mac option from the menu that appears. Now when the pop-up that appears, tap on the Software Update option you see there. You will then see the Upgrade Now option. Tap on that and further go through the terms and conditions briefly and then tap on the Agree button you see there, and with this the update will begin. Wait for the update to complete, and once completed, your MacBook will be upgraded. So, this is how you can upgrade macOS Sonoma to macOS Sequoia. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.